Hello viewers, Aslam here from Let's Flex, and that's the lecture number 14 of our basic to advanced Go High Level training. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about all triggers that we have in a Go High Level, and also we will discuss about actions as well. In a previous video we have discussed about the automations, so I'm going to overview of all action and trigger. So let me dive in sub account, and I just go to the automations, and here you can see we have different automations, but right now I'm not going to use this account. I'm going to use test account. You remember we have created in a previous video for our course purpose. Here we have test automations, so let me go inside a test automation folder and I will create another automations. And I would like to say I'm going from scratch. I'm not going to use any recipe or any templates for workflow. I would like to say it action and triggers. So right now I just click here, and here you can see that's basically all our triggers, but main thing is that we can also use as a actions as well. So these all are we can use as a trigger, and also we can use as an action as well, and I will explain as well. For example, you want to send birthday reminders to someone, to your audience, just use this as a triggers. And you can want to change contact information, you can use this one. You want to create contact, you can use this one as a trigger. You can contact don't disturb, you can use this one. You want to add a tag, simply go with this one. And custom date reminders, you can use this one. And note added to contact, you can do this one. You want to change the note, you can do this one, use this one as a trigger. And same here is more triggers as well. And we have task reminders, task completed, and contact engagement score as well. We can say that it's used as a trigger. Here we have some event based trigger, and in which we will say inbound webhook, call status, email event. Inbound webhook we are going to use when someone when we will bring outside leads from Go High Level. For example, we are going to use WordPress website, and we will say that WordPress form leads bring into Go High Level, then we are going to use this webhook. For call status, when we will do calls workflow, for example, you will use a Go High Level call system, and someone pick call, reject call, you can check your call status, and you can run your automations based on a call status. Then you can use these triggers, and you can send email events triggers, customer reply trigger you can use for Facebook commits, you can use for Facebook DM, Instagram DM, and you can also use for emails DM as well. When someone submit form, when someone submits survey, and when trigger link clicked. For example, we have trigger link, when someone click on it and it will be run this workflow. For Facebook leads form, we are going to use this one. For TikTok form submit, we are going to use this one. Video tracking, we are going to use this one. Number verifications, for SMS error, or LinkedIn leads form. For funnels website page view, here we have trigger as well. When someone view page, and we can track them as well. Quiz submitted, and if we have quiz, you can use this one. And if someone review submitted for your Google My Business, so you can use this one. Here we have appointment trigger, appointment status, and customer booked appointments. And here we have opportunities, we can update our opportunities, create new opportunities, change pipeline stages as well, steal opportunities as well. Here we have some affiliated triggers. We will say new affiliate sales come, affiliate enrolled is campaign. These are a system for when you are using affiliate system for your Go High Level. So you have a category started, category completed. This is basically for course. You would like to say it's a category started. It means when your first batch of students enroll a first category and then second category. Categories, you mean say that it's a lesson, and you will say lesson start, lesson complete, new sign up into your course, offer access generated, and offer access removed. And here we have product access generated, product access removed, and product started, product completed, and user login. These are all we are going to use for trigger. And this is for payment. For example, invoice sent. You want to create invoice, you can you can use this one. And if you want to say payment receive, and you can use this one. And here order form submitted, order form submissions, and order form submitted, document and contact submitted, estimates submitted, subscriptions and refunds. You can also these all triggers you can use for payment purpose. And here we have some Shopify, for example, abandoned checkout, order place, order fulfilled, start IVR triggers. If you are using IVR, then that's the best one you can use for your different events and different call systems. And here we have Facebook and Instagram events. When someone do commit on your post, it's a beta, but you can use it for your services as well. Here for community, you can use this one. All these triggers, for example, access generated, and we will say that access removed, access private channels access generated, and private channel access removed, community groups member leads. And here we have some certified issue for your course. And here we have third-party apps that we can use as a trigger as well. But right now I don't think so we need to use these third-party apps. We are going to use these all as our triggers. So in the next step, for example, I'm going to say that contact tag, and I would like to say, I will just say name. No, I'm not going to use name, and I would like to say no data available, add filter. No, just I'm going to add this one for no. And I'm going to select this one is a trigger when workflow our start on which trigger base. So on which actions performed, then our workflow will be started. So in this case our workflow will be started, and after that we are going to say that here we have when contact update, we will say send email. These are all our actions. So we can as I told you, we can use these all feature as a trigger, and as well as we can use as action as well. For example, send review request, it's a little bit change, but the main thing is that mostly we are using for same purpose. For example, when submit form and when submit review, we are going to send request. We can use as a trigger as well, but we can use as an action as well. So these are trigger, our workflow start, then we will say all automation will be based on the actions, which actions user perform, and on those action basis we are going to send all details, and we are charging them, and we are reaching out them, and we can use them their scenarios as well. So these are all actions. And for example, I would like to say, you see it's the same as we have before. And here we have some new as well, but it's almost same that we have in a trigger. We can use here, we have some internal actions. We'll say if else conditions, wait conditions, goal event, split. For example, you want to split test, you can use this one. Update custom value, go to date and timer format. These all are action. Here we have math operation as well, set event start, add workflow, remove workflow, array functions. We have some array function, but it's a paid. We have text format, and we have the mainly used one, ChatGPT powered by OpenAI, Eliza appointment book, and send Eliza agent. These all we have actions. And here we have some add Google Analytics, and add to Google AdWords, and Facebook add to custom audience, and Facebook remove custom audience. These are for Facebook ad purpose. Let me make another video for actions, and I will explain actions as well in a step by step. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want any GoHighLevel services, simple go with the leadsflex.com. You can see channel in a video website link in a channel description, or simply you can just search on a Google leadsflex.com, and you can reach here and simply go and book consultation. And here you can buy your free of cost snapshot as well. If you go with my affiliate link, I just provide you these snapshots free of cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.